Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out from your Vinted account. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Vinted app. And here in the Vinted app, it usually opens up in the home menu. We have to go into the profile menu in the bottom right corner, tap on the little icon. Here in the profile menu, we have to find settings, the little button with the gear. We tap on it. And in this list, we have to scroll down to the bottom and find log out. We tap on the log out button. And after this little pop-up, we can tap on yes, log out. And then we are going to be logged out from the Vinted app. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys and see you in the next one. Bye.